Here's a question that I've seen start mathematical religious wars. Does 0.9 repeating equal 1? Now, before giving the answer to this question, you have to know what 0.9 repeating even means. After all, we know what 1, 2, 3 means, and we even know what 0.1, 0.2, 5, and so on all mean. But when the decimal expansion involves infinitely many digits, that is not something that we naturally understand, even if it doesn't seem like that big of a jump. So the very definition of what 0.9 repeating means is that we start from regular 0.9 and then we add 0.09. Think about that. You get the 9 in the tenths digit from the first term, and then you get it in the hundredths digit without affecting anything along the way from the second term, and then we add it in the thousandths digit, and so on, and then we are taking this infinite sum. So in fact, what this means, by definition, the only sense that we can make of a thing like this is that it is this infinite sum of ever smaller terms. Now that necessarily means that, of course, we have to now make sense of what is an infinite sum. Now, we're not going to talk about the complete rigorous details because that involves actually quite advanced mathematics, but what we can say is that 0.9 repeating is a number, and it is the number which this sequence gets closer and closer to. So if you start from 0.9 and then you go to 0.99 and you go to 0.99, clearly this gets closer and closer to 1. I could try to explain that a little more completely, but maybe it's not worth the time. Maybe that answers the question. If you have any questions about this, let me know and I can maybe respond to it. But yes, 0.9 repeating does equal 1.